Just in, on Wiretap News.
Good morning. My name is Simon Sandoval-Moschenberg. I'm a partner with the law firm of Murray Osorio in Fairfax, Virginia, and one of the attorneys representing Kilmar, Abrego, Garcia in this matter. Today was a continued hearing after yesterday's evidentiary hearing. Again, we are asking the court for two things. First, we're asking the court to order that before Kilmar Abrego Garcia is put on a plane to any particular country, that he and his attorneys receive written notice of what that country will be, and a reasonable period of time, which we suggested could be as little as 72 hours, to file an application for withholding of removal as to that country. As the judge pointed out, given that the entirety of the U.S. government has, exercised its entire public relations apparatus to try to tar Mr. Abrego Garcia as an MS-13 member, leader, what have you, accusations of which they've provided no evidence. There are many, many countries in which he might well suffer persecution on that grounds. In addition, it's unclear whatever country he would be sent to, whether he would be even at liberty in that country or whether he would be incarcerated. And it's unclear whether he would be allowed to remain in any such country or whether that country would simply redeport him on to El Salvador, his country of citizenship. All those are issues that need to be decided by an immigration judge, not this court. But we can't even get in front of an immigration judge if they're going to whisk him onto a plane, as soon as he hits ICE custody. So that's the first thing we're asking the judge for. The second thing we're asking the judge for is the Supreme Court 9-0 held that Mr. Abrego Garcia needs to be put back in his position before the violation of law occurred. As the judge mentioned today, she stated on multiple occasions that the original arrest that took place happened without a warrant, without any legal basis. And that took place in the state of Maryland. And so our contention is that putting him back in his original position before the violation of law means bringing him back to the state of Maryland. The government's position is that the only violation of law was putting him on that plane to El Salvador, and that occurred in Texas. So those are the two things that the judge is going to have to decide. She made very clear that she will decide before Wednesday. Wednesday is the next detention hearing in the middle. Wednesday is the next detention. The judge made very clear that she's going to decide this before Wednesday's hearing in the Middle District of Tennessee. And so we expect to get a ruling. It could be today, it could be Monday, it could be Tuesday. But we're confident that she'll rule in advance of Wednesday.